Yiwu, often known as one of the world's most dynamic trading hubs, is a city where modern commerce meets centuries of cultural evolution. From its markets to its scenic parks, it reflects a rare balance of tradition and innovation. The city's rapid development, strategic position, and remarkable infrastructure have shaped a unique environment for merchants, travelers, and cultural explorers. With a history rooted in trade and a future driven by creativity, Yiwu stands as a symbol of global connection and opportunity. Yiwu lies in central Zhejiang province, surrounded by green hills and shaped by mild rivers that flow through its subtropical monsoon climate. Warm summers and gentle winters create a comfortable landscape throughout the year. Historically, Yiwu evolved from a small farming community into a global trading center, especially after the rise of its acclaimed international trade market. Today, it maintains commercial ties with more than 200 countries. Traveling through Yiwu offers a quiet yet captivating journey, shaped by landscapes, culture, and the rhythm of a city that has grown from humble origins into a global destination. Each landmark reveals a different chapter in its evolving story. It begins with Hengdian, often called China's Hollywood, where ancient palaces, imperial courts, and entire city replicas allow visitors to step into centuries of history. Film crews, tourists, and dreamers walk side by side in a world blending imagination and heritage. Not far away lies Zhejiang Park, one of the city's most peaceful green spaces. Carefully landscaped and surrounded by gentle walking paths, it offers a quiet escape where locals gather for morning exercises, and travelers pause to enjoy the soft breeze. Then comes Huayanshan Park, known for its elevated viewpoints. From its gentle slopes, visitors watch Yiwu unfold below, bridges, rivers, and districts forming a tapestry of tradition and modern ambition. Sunset paints the horizon in warm gold, leaving a lasting impression. Nearby stands the Yiwu Exposition Center, a symbol of international commerce. Its vast halls host markets and exhibitions that draw traders from every continent. Stepping inside feels like entering the world itself, a place where cultures, languages, and products meet. As evening approaches, the graceful arc of Hongyue Bridge lights up the river, becoming a beacon of the city's transition into modernity. At the core of it all lies the Heart of Yiwu, a vibrant district filled with public art, bright lights, and the energy of everyday life. Here, travelers witness Yiwu's true character, diverse, dynamic, and always in motion. If you enjoy discovering places like these, remember to subscribe for more journeys ahead. Yiwu is widely nicknamed the world's supermarket, a tribute to its unmatched scale in international trade and distribution. Among the city's notable figures is Qiang Nanxiang, an influential educator whose reforms shaped modern university systems across China. Yiwu's most iconic structure is the International Trade City, often described as the largest small commodity market on Earth. Its vast halls, endless displays, and global activity reflect the heartbeat of Yiwu's economy. Yiwu's community is shaped by both local traditions and global diversity. Mandarin is widely spoken, though the local Yiwu dialect adds unique character to daily conversations. International residents contribute languages and customs from across the world. This cultural blend makes Yiwu feel both familiar and globally connected. Traditional festivals, artisan crafts, and regional cuisine continue to flourish alongside a modern lifestyle created by global trade. Yiwu's economic success is powered by its extraordinary trading ecosystem. The international trade market alone generates billions annually, far surpassing similar wholesale centers in both scale and efficiency. The Yiwu-Madrid freight route, stretching more than 13,000 kilometers, strengthens its position as a key link between China and Europe. Logistics parks, digital commerce hubs, and cross-border trading zones continue to guide Yiwu's economic growth. Yiwu's architecture blends serene parks with modern commercial districts. Its transportation systems, from highways to expanding rail networks, make it one of Zhejiang's most accessible cities. Globally, Yiwu plays a role similar to Dubai's wholesale zones or Istanbul's trading districts, serving as a crossroads of goods and cultures. With smart city projects and sustainable planning, its future promises deeper global integration. Have you visited Yiwu, or is it still on your travel list? Which part fascinated you most? The markets, the parks, or the cultural diversity? Share your impressions in the comments below. Your stories help this community grow.